How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the M2 Motoring YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be going over the Toyota Supra behind me. This is Peter's Mark IV Supra. This car was finished about a year ago. He's been enjoying it since. Has a lot of time and money put into it, and with Peter's cars, as anybody who knows him knows, he does not cut corners or tries to cheap out on things. What he wants he gets, and he's very selective of what parts he wants. So this is the overall car. The car was originally silver, now it is in Nardo gray. The engine was built by Rad Industries, which I'll get to in just a bit. For M2 Motoring, we actually helped them with the interior work, upholstery work, and also with little odds and ends here and there. And also constantly, I would say, debating with Peter on what to do and what not to do. So the back seats we helped them with. Originally, the car had a different set of front bridge seats that were reclinable, that was fully disassembled, reupholstered. The backside was, was a used carbon seat, but there was some damage to it, so we reverse mass painted and cleaned up as good as we can. Overall, Peter opted, after all of that, to switch to a bucket seat. As you can see here, Peter loves his carbon fiber. He's got doors, has every carbon fiber bit and piece in the car. This car originally was owned, I believe, by one of his really good friends. The car sat neglected for a very long time, and he just decided to, hey, shot an offer over to his friend, and his friend accepted it, and he's been working on this thing since. The car was nowhere near this shape when he first got it. Like I said, this has been through a lot of restoration work. The paint was done by JV Auto Body. This was a pretty much chassis up, strip down, and repaint, which is really nice. The car features CCW wheels with endless brakes, which I'll show you in the front just a second. And the tires that are being used are Toyo, are 888s. So overall, this car itself has a really nice engine setup. It's everything that a Supra owner would want out of his car. This is the prime example of what Peter always wanted, since he was a kid. He had posters of this car and everything, so this build for him was one of those, I want it, gotta do it, don't care, just let me have fun with it. And this is the end result, which I'm really happy about, and I keep joking with him to let me buy the car when he's bored with it, but his other half says no. So this whole engine setup's done by Rad Industries. Dan over there took care of all this. Forget the final horsepower number, but I will put it in the description. It's got some cool, pretty rare pieces like this ARC air diversion panel. All the work done here. Came out really nice. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy all the film work that's going to be done and all the pan shots. This is pretty much the car. Like I said, again, it's Peter Supra. You've seen it on multiple magazines, and it's been featured on Hoonigan Autofocus by Larry. Obviously, he is a pro-level photographer and a really great videographer. I'm just some guy on YouTube, but go ahead and enjoy. Thanks again so much for watching the video. I definitely do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Again, you guys take care. See you on the next video.